how to use Vim editor in your Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can use Vim as an inbuilt editor in your Claude Code CLI. So the steps to do that are fairly very easy. So just right after launching your Claude Code in your Windows PowerShell, you can go to a new line and simply type in the following command, that is a forward slash, and then after typing in the forward slash you will need to type in config. Now once typed in, simply hit the enter button and it will show you a list of the config settings. Now from here you can either use this search option or you can simply navigate using this particular arrow keys and find the required setting. So if you will scroll down, you can see this particular setting, that is editor. So if you can't find it, you can simply type in here and you can see this is the editor mode. So from the editor mode you can simply press the space bar and you can see that it has been changed from normal to Vim. So in order to save this setting, simply press the enter button and now you can see that your setting has been successfully changed, as it says set editor mode to Vim. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.